The eyes. So notice, last time I mentioned na this...
Ako rin. Yes, sir.
So notice, last time I mentioned this should be ano to? C4. So actually, ito yung C5. Yung C6 mo, it's this one. So yung pinapoint ko dati na, di ba sinasabi ko separate to, then C6, C7, yung buong yun, C7 dapat. So C5, C6, C7, C8, T1. So tama yung C7 to T1. Notice, yung nagbago lang naman is this one. So if this is C6, yung pinaka-anterior branch from it, na sinasabi kong branches lang ng C5, is in fact, ito na yung suprascapular, this is the first subscapular. Nakita? This one is the remnants of the phrenic. So this one, suprascapular, first subscapular. Tandaan nyo lang, pag may grupo ditong ganyan, this group here, the most anterior nerve is always suprascapular. Then first subscapular, then notice, yung pinapoint ko dating first subscapular, this is actually the second subscapular. Well, this one is, yung itong sineseparate ko, nagsiseparate talaga yan. This one here, yung itong buong yan, ito yung pinapoint ko dati na second subscapular. This is in fact your entire axillary. So, C5, C6, C7, C8, T1, suprascapular, subscapular, first subscapular, second subscapular, axillary, then third yung tama yun. Ganito, this one. Okay? Malinaw?
Yes, sir.
So, nagkamali ako last time kasi nakita ko the phrenic nerve arises from here, then from here. C5, C6 according to the manual. Pero naalala ko, sa tao, it actually arises from C4. So I remember it's yung sa tao. C4, C5, C6 sa tao. Na apparently in cats, iba pala. It should only arise from C5 and C6. Okay, malinaw?
Okay, sir.
Any questions? Nakita mo na lahat?